Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a T-Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the passwords and accounts. Of course, right here we've got a whole Google section where you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using the passwords and accounts, so let me tap on it. Here we've got the section with the accounts. We do not have any accounts added yet, so let's tap on Add Account, choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm your whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.